So let's just talk about like final words of wisdom, right? I mean, obviously, you're talking about the deposit in your bank account. You're talking about your journey. You're talking about going from content creation to SaaS platform development and then selling this thing. If I'm an entrepreneur and I'm developing some product, if I'm developing some service and I'm listening to you, what words of inspiration do you want to deliver to me?
Hire the best people or bring the best people in to work with. Like once you've got your focus, you've got your goal, you really like thought things through and you're going to go on this business journey, this product journey, whatever it might be, and you've got the vision, et cetera, and you're ready to go, like find the best people possible to go on that journey with that are just as driven as you are, really bought into your vision and mission, want to do great work, and fundamentally you can have some fun with obviously along the way. Like you're gonna be in the trenches day in, day out for hours and hours and hours. You've got to be able to go out and have some fun with them as well and have a laugh as you're doing it. So like that would be my biggest thing. Like the journey of actually doing this is a shared experience of people fundamentally. And we have and have had some amazing people work at ContentCal. And they're my memories. My memories are not building this and releasing it and doing this and that. Like obviously I remember those, but my memories are also like we went out for drinks and celebrated, or we did something really stupid and all laughed at ourselves at the end of it, whatever it might be. Like those are the memories that actually stick with you for life. So like once you've got everything, like I said, the kind of core ingredients, bring some fundamentally great people into the process with you, and then just go for it and have fun and work really hard, and yeah, you'll just get a great like life experience out of building a business.
Wow.